Good morning, children. Okay, so what happened? What we have seen here? Roots, how it is germinating. Okay, then how we can prepare the sprouts that we have learnt in the last class, isn't it? So today, okay, I'll ask you some questions for. Have you seen the roots, children? What is that? Have you seen the roots? What are the types of the roots you are eating? For example, radish, turnip, potato, carrot, these are all we are eating, isn't it or not, children? Yes, I already said that. What is that? This is the potatoes. Yes or not? But it is called, it is not a root, it is a stem. And ginger also. This stem part we are eating, isn't it? Then another thing is, some plants or the trees we can see the roots, isn't it? For example, what we are eating the roots? Turnip, then radish, then potato, isn't it or not? Beetroot, what do you call that? Beetroot, mulangi, carrot too. So these are all, it is having the roots also, as well as that root part we are eating. Root part we are eating, stem part we are eating, yes or not? Then flower, okay, we are using for making garlands or our head also we can and we are worshipping, isn't it or not? Then some plants we can use as a leaf also, isn't it or not, children? So many plants, leaf, what do you call that? B vitamin leaves, or what you call that? Basale, isn't it or not? So many green leaves available in the market, even palak, yes or not? Some plants like a cabbage, what is that? It is a leaves, yes or not? Cabbage. Then cauliflower. So these are all we are using. Cauliflower, actually flower we are eating, and cabbage, what we are eating? Leaf we are eating, isn't it or not? Or palak, or so many types of the leaf or the leaves we are, for example, in methi, it is having a leaves, yes or not? That leaves also we are going to eat, isn't it? Then fruit parts, yes, we are all eating the whatever the types of, so many types of the fruits we are eating daily, yes or not, children? So here this plants is useful to us, all the plant parts also useful to us, but it is growing itself, yes or not? So many plants in the forest, there is no human interference, isn't it or not? It is growing itself through the sunlight, one thing, and secondly, during the time of rainy season, it will get the water. That water only, what happened? These roots are absorbing the water itself. Then it is preparing manure itself. Do you know that, for example, so many leaves are shedding their leaves. So many trees are shedding their leaves, isn't it or not? ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಮರಗಳು ತನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಎಲೆಗಳಿಂದನೇ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯೂರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯೂರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸಾಯಿಲ್, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ತ್ರೀ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ supporting the plants to grow. Okay, it may be flower part, or it may be stem part, or the leaf part. So all the parts, this roots is helping to absorb the water. It is sending the water to all the parts and growing, children. Understood? So that is the main thing. Roots is support the plants. Okay, so I'll ask you now some questions. I already shown this. What is that? In your home also, like this plant you can keep in the glass of water. After 2 weeks, just you see like this roots you can see, children. Understood? This roots, it is supporting the plants, and leaf will come out. Okay, so how it is growing, just you observe in your home. Apart from that, I already said that. What is that? Sprouts, what we are making, ಹುರುಳಿ ಕಾಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕಾಳುಗಳನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೆನೆಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದಿನ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಟ್ಟೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಸುತ್ತಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿಡಿ, ಆ ನೀರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು ಮೊಳಕೆ ಹೊಡೆದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? Apart from that, what we can see? Okay, I already said that so many plants it is useful to us also. For example, ashwagandha, tulsi, eucalyptus, neem. So many plants it is giving a medicines also, isn't it? So medicinal purpose we are using. For example, if we are having the cough, then we can take the steam in the boiled water. So that boiled water we can put the tulsi, then we can take a steam, yes or not? It may be cold, during that time we can take that. So it is useful to us. Apart from that, we can drink a water, tulsi water also we can drink it, yes or not? Then neem and eucalyptus, these are all, it will go for ointment as well as neem oil. They are preparing neem soap or some face washes or whatever the creams we are all using for our face, no? So even face or the medicine, everything that leaves is helpful, understood? So nodi bari one plant namge how many types of the plants it will give help, isn't it or not? So everything is right, but another thing is all the plants it will gives us what? Oxygen, yes or not? ತುಂಬ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲು ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ದ plants. Just you observe in your home which are the types of the plant is having the roots and which are the plants it will grow itself if you will put the water, how it will absorb, everything you can see like this. You have to do, okay, how it will grow like this. For example, you are seeing here one glass of water, then what it is a plant. This plant is having a roots, okay. After 2 weeks you will see the roots, okay. So that you can observe. And in your home, radish, carrot and potato, sweet potato, and after that turnip, these are all there, means you can see, observe that. I already said that cabbage leaf we are eating. Then palak and B vitamin leaves, basale, intavella sumaru ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, leaves ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, isn't it? Coriander leaves like that. Then this is called potato. Then another one is ginger. These are all the stem part, that also we are eating daily, yes or not? So please observe that in your home, okay children. So I already given in your question and answers of the last lesson. Please fill the activities in your textbook. I said actually textbook you didn't get, I know very well. That textbook, whatever you wanted to write the activities, please go through in your new fair note, okay. Fair note already you have started, is it or not? So that fair note only you can write it, children, understood? Thank you.